Today, ConvergeX headquarters is in the UK, where we're also having the majority of our sales and business development activities. In addition to that, we are having product development and R&D in south of France, in Sophia Antipolis. We're also having a sales office in America, and we're also having activities in the Middle East. Typically, outside of Europe, we are leveraging our partners, Intel and Microsoft in particular, with working in those local markets. ConvergeX are now introducing to the market a whole new digital home, intelligent home solution. Basically what we are doing is that we are replacing all of the different components, all of the remote controls and the different single box solutions that are available in the market today with one easy to use integrated solution that let you combine both home control and entertainment functions all in one device and from one simple to use remote control. As you are waking up in the morning, you can go over to the panel. You just hit a button there for, now I want to have the good morning scene. That will put the security shutters up. It can turn on the TV. Maybe it will put on some morning news, or maybe if you got a child, it will put on some cartoons so the child can be watching that. At the same time as if you want later to switch to other channels or maybe even surf even the internet from your plasma screens, all of that is completely possible on our integrated platform. ConvergeX, we are providing the glue to tie together a lot of existing services or new services from many different vendors. Can be content providers, can be service providers, telecom operators, application developers, and we are basically integrating all of these services that today are being available as independent services and making them work together in harmony. So the user doesn't need to have many different relationships or many different interfaces and a complex integration to worry about. We make it easy for the consumer to now use all of these services and consume them in the home. The ConvergeX platform is currently running on Windows operating system, and we can run on any derivation of Windows, Windows CE or Windows XP. That have .NET framework on it. This is especially true for the server. When it comes to the different client devices, we are initially supporting different smartphones, PDAs, tablets, TV that are running other different variations of the Windows operating system. In the next version, we'll also be supporting other non-Windows operating systems like Symbian for mobile phones. We'll be supporting Linux for the servers and so on. So we're really having a platform that will be scaling very well and open up the possibilities for our system to be available on the widest possible range of devices. We're also having under development an in-car version where basically when you're driving the car into the garage in your home, it will log on to your home network and synchronize all of the content between your music server at home and the music server in the car. And in the future you can also see, for instance, you synchronize also the cartoons for the children so they can watch that in the backseat TV and things like that. All of this will be a natural part of the future. It's really up to you as a user how many systems do you want to integrate for how many different scenarios are started at the same time. But for instance, in a house like here, it starts the fountain, it starts the overflow of the pool, it puts the security shades, security shutters up. If it's a sunny day, you can put the sunshade out, can put on your favorite music, can show you on a display screen as you're coming home, can show you how many emails, how many faxes, how many voicemails you've had since last time you were at home and so on. So it really depends on how sophisticated system that you want to have in place. Just as the internet and email was very important in the 90s, we think that now in this decade, the digital home and the digital home revolution are really going to change the life for every person in the home. We are seeing digital music, digital video, digital television, all becoming a part of everyday life, and have become already for a lot of people. But we think that the next big thing to happen is also that the control of the home will now be enabled and possible for everyone.